how to insert video in PowerPoint. So if you want to insert video in your PowerPoint, then first you need to open up your PowerPoint application. Once you open your PowerPoint, now you can go with a blank presentation or you can simply choose the existing presentation. I'll be choosing a blank presentation. Once you've chosen a blank presentation, now what you need to do is you just need to simply go for insert, which is here in the upper left. Click on insert, and once you click on insert, here you will have video option on the right side. So click on video, and then you can choose a video from your device or from the stock videos or from the online videos. So if you want to add an online video, then what you need to do is, for example, I'll be choosing a YouTube video. So open up a browser, go for the YouTube and select the video. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. Once you've chosen, go for share and copy the link. Once you've copied the link, now go back to your PowerPoint and click on video and go for online videos. And here you can enter the link of that video. So simply enter the link which you have just copied, and here you will have your video, right? So click on insert and your video has been inserted. So you can simply adjust that. That's how you can add online videos. But if you want to add a video which is present in your laptop or your PC, then again go for insert, go for the video and go for this device, and you can choose it from your device. So you can simply go for anywhere where you have the videos and you can select the video and you can click on insert and your video will be inserted. So that's how you can add videos to your PowerPoint. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.